I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring you're signed into iCloud so Notes syncs across devices. This matters for backups and continuity. Next, open Notes right away via Spotlight or the dock. Once open, create a new note with the New Note button or press CMD+N. That gets you into writing immediately. As you type, use the top toolbar to pick formatting, bold, lists, or checklist so your structure is clear. This first step puts your content in a safe, searchable place. Now organize logically so you can find things fast. Create folders or drag notes into existing ones. Folders act like project bins. Use the Attachments browser and toolbar to add photos, document scans, links, or sketches. Attachments make a note richer and reduce app switching. Add tags inline with hashtag to filter later. Once done, search by tag or keyword in the search field to pull everything up. Make use of pinning and locking for finish by sharing or securing your work depending on the purpose. Use the share button to invite collaborators and set view or edit permissions. This saves time versus emailing content. For private items, lock notes with a password or your Touch ID. This prevents accidental access. If something goes wrong with syncing, first check iCloud settings and battery or network, then sign out and back in or restart the Notes app. One quick troubleshooting tip: re-enable Notes in iCloud to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.